In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Then adjust all of those options however you wish to, like format. When you finished, go back, select Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using this left one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is on. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it, hold it, choose delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to rename it though, hold it as well, choose rename at the top, type in wherever you wish to and click on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!